Hey guys, so today I want to show you guys my new Veja sneakers. This is the color that I got. These are like army green. I've have them for like a month and I've been using them non-stop. They're super comfortable and they look super cute with all my looks. I find them really easy to match with any kind of outfit. I can dress them up or dress them down, and they're super comfortable, and they're not that expensive, but I definitely think that the price is worth it since the quality is amazing, and they are honestly super cute, and you can like make different kind of outfits with them, and I cannot express how cute these look with any kind of look. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for like a basic shoe that goes with everything and super comfortable, definitely check these Veja sneakers out.